Hello, welcome to this Violet Voss Like a Boss palette look featuring browns and mauve colors with a little bit of a golden accent on the highlight for the eye. This look used the entire top row of the palette, so Hustle, Baddie, Queen, Boss, Strong, and then it used Swag, Inspo, Snatched, and Serve, so 9 out of the 20 colors. I started out first with a little bit of Hustle, going across the crease and bringing it up to the upper part of the eye. Then I darkened that up with Serve, following the same general line and giving it a little bit of curve on the outside portion. Then I moved over to the deeper brown Boss. I filled in the same area, and then I started working on the outside third of the eye. Then I moved in with Strong, following the same line, blending that in and bringing it to the same outside third of the eye, because I'm going to use that for the ombre with the Queen. That'll be the glittery color on the inside. And oops, I had a chunk of eyeshadow on my hand and I got it on my face. From there, I added some inspo just to deepen up the color, and I put that again across the crease, blending it in, and then on the outside edge as well. And there really wasn't very much fallout from this at all, but I was a little sloppy, so that's what I was cleaning up there. Then for the highlight on my brow bone, I used Baddie, which has a little bit of shimmer to it, and it's very light and sheer. And then for the highlight on the inner corner of the eye, I went into Swag, which is just a little bit lighter, and I dipped that into both corners of the eye, and then pulled it along the bottom lash line just a touch. Then I went into Queen, and I put Queen on the inside half of the upper lid, filling in the empty space below the crease line, moving over toward the brown black ombre that I created on the outside. And then I blended that together, and I used Snatched to help get that in there properly. And then I blended that in and just tried to get a nice seamless line. And then for just a little more depth, I added inspo and made it a little darker. Then I went in and I put a little bit of Strong underneath the eye on the outside edge of the lower lash line using a pencil brush instead of a fluffy brush, which I used for everything else. And that is the completed look. This is a great look for autumn. Lots of browns and depth in here. Really simple to apply. This took about 12 minutes. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.